Welcome to the Mackenzie Video Library.
Red Crested Pochard today, so you're not going to find that in the catalog, but I just kind of have a bunch of different forms here and I just kind of put them in there to size them. So this was a SW13. It fit really nice in this bird. So as long as it fits, we're going to wear it, okay? I got a little bit of slack in there, plenty of room to do with what I need. This bird's going to be kind of flying, kind of cupped coming in. The plan is to use one of the artificial necks. And it appears that the SNI 81, I think, is either, a gadwall / widgeon. We're going to put that in there. Now, so if we're going to hook this up to the head, the first thing we're going to do, and we're going to bend this at the top, just like that. And then we're going to bend this underneath itself. And this is the cupped head for one of those species. The reason we do that is this goes in here, and when it slides down, I can move this any way, and the foam doesn't separate from the back of the head. Now, the important thing is tape. This is what you guys, if you've used these necks, you take electrical tape, and you basically just cinch that down, just like that. Straighten it out. This stuff is durable. You can bend it, twist it any way you want. And you put that in that bird to size it, and it is beautiful. It's got the correct shape of the oval neck, and the head transition flares at the top. So next step, I'm going to trim the wire. I'm going to find the insertion point on the body. I'm going to trim it just a little more. And rotate that back into the form. We're working on making some adjustments. We're going to start using a different foam for the bodies that's softer. I mean, this is a soft one, but sometimes we've had some that are harder, especially on the smaller bodies. That's a little difficult. We're going to slide that, and then when you get it all the way through, you take that off. It makes that real nice little flare right at the base of the head. Ducks' necks aren't round, and for years we've used the backer rod just like that and put a trachea on it, but we are loving this system with the shapes and the bendability that we have. Give them a try, and like I said, it don't have to be certain species to fit. Let's simplify and overcome some of the fear of how to use these feet. What I've done is this is a redhead foot, and Jennifer just painted it up real quick, not a lot to it, paint up really fast. Everything lines up. It's about the same thing as a redhead, so we're going to go. So here's what you do. Don't get too scientific with this. You just basically cut right around that. I'm not trying to be precise with anything. I'm just going right around that leg. This is what we're going to do. If you are not sure about how to put things and where to bend them, is you can take a little coffee straw like this and emulate this leg and basically just trim that. And you can buy these feet with and without wire. So a lot of times we buy them without wire, and Jennifer installs them depending on what we want to use them for. So you do have the option. So you'd slide that down over, and then you'd make a bend, just like it's going back towards the hip. Now let's look at our form here. Those little marks on my form, I want to go just shy of that mark there, and then right there where that attaches to the hip. So I'm going to cut that off right there. This is kind of a cool way to do things. And then once I get that accomplished, I'm going to put another bend back in towards my body here, okay? Just like this. And I don't really have time to go into great detail about a lot of this, but when we do have time to do classes, we go over this in detail. Rock that back like that. It puts a little paperclip look to it. When we install this foot, put a little depression in the form. This will slide in there just like so. That goes into that little depression I've got there. I've got full range of motion to do what I want to. We go right to that hole, push right through, reinvert, and then I would go about my business, installing my body, attaching my wings, pop that into the socket, and then we move forward with mounting the bird. you.